Hi guys, in this video I'm going to speak about why people find it very hard to meditate and not more on what is meditation. Whenever people hear the word meditation, they think that it's focusing on one particular point and having no thoughts and things like that. I accept that there will be a point that you have no thoughts and a concentrated focus, undivided focus, and things like that. But I would say that uh, these things happen themselves, and you're not trying to force you out there. There are lots of meditation techniques, so I'm not going to speak on those meditation techniques. There are techniques where you focus on one point, or sometimes you focus on your third eye part, and there are techniques which you look into your inner body. Okay, so I will make a separate video on the different techniques which I have practiced in my life, but this video is about how you can try to meditate and why you are not able to meditate properly. Usually, people think that whenever they sit for meditation, there are lots of thoughts coming in, and they are not trying to, like, they are not able to meditate and things like that. Uh, you know, meditation is actually a process of unlearning things. So your mind is an entity or something which will not allow you to meditate or go through the process. So it always shows a lot of thoughts and plays a lot of things in your mind, and you feel that you are not focused or not able to meditate. Meditation is not just focusing on something. Okay, it is like accepting and letting go of things, I would say. Let's say I'm trying to meditate in a pose and I'm closing my eyes, and when I close my eyes, some thought is coming in. Let's say the thought about yesterday's work or yesterday's practice I was doing. So some thought is coming in. So rather than thinking that this thought is coming in and I'm not able to meditate, what I usually do is like, okay, I accept that now my mind is wavering, and it's bringing in thoughts. Okay, so I just accept, and again I just go on focusing, like how I was meditating before, what I'm trying to do in the meditation. I just try to go back to the point. When I try and go back to the point and try to focus, like let's say I'm trying to focus on my third area, trying to meditate. So when I do that, again there are thoughts coming in. So when the thoughts are coming in again, I just accept, okay, now the thoughts are coming in. Okay, now let me go back. So instead of telling myself that I'm not able to meditate, thoughts are coming in, I just accept them, and then I go back to what I was doing before. So when I keep doing this, there will be thousands of failures until I reach the point that I can focus myself, with undivided attention, and get myself into that state. It is not the process of complete focus. It is actually I let go and accept whatever is coming. Accepting is like whenever a thought comes in, I accept it, and okay, I accept, and then I say like, oh, it's okay, let it go, and then I just again bring in the focus back. So this is how I had been doing for a long time, and at one stage I could see that the no, amount of thoughts coming in had reduced, and after and it keeps in like getting better day by day when you practice. So it's not going to you are not going to have the meditative state, a wonderful experience in one day. So I would recommend that every day is a small tiny step you make towards the progress of meditating. So you just focus on what is happening when you are meditating, just observing it and not more like reacting to it. Just accept things as they are instead of trying to alter it and trying to force yourself into some kind of concentration or focus, because it will eventually not happen. Most of the human beings are in control of the mind. So if you want to control your mind by meditating and things like that, your mind is not going to give up that easily. So I would say that you have to play with your mind, like you accept what your mind is trying to do, and try to accept and let go of those thoughts and try to do the meditation. So it is going to be a little bit difficult, but I won't say that it's impossible to achieve for a normal person. So any technique you practice, I would suggest this is how you have to treat meditation instead of trying to force. When you try to force your mind into not thinking anything, it will definitely make it. If you do some action which is trying to control your mind will blast. So that's how the mind coordination works. So if you want to master your mind, I would say that have patience and have the act, like the act of accepting things instead of forcing yourself. I would say these are the things which will help you to meditate more effectively. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, so I'll make more videos on meditation. Thank you so much for watching.